Tingqian Diesel Version Land Rover Defender ARC Series Exhaust Tip Kit Installation Guide. First, assemble the main body. Secure it with screws, washers, and nuts. Four in total. Install the main body bracket. Also secure it with screws, washers, and nuts. The double-hole bracket is on the driver's side, and the single-hole one is on the passenger's side. Remove the screw at this position on the right side of the vehicle's rear end. Only loosen the left screw to leave a gap. Install the exhaust tip bracket in this position. Tighten the screws. Install the exhaust tip kit. A hose clamp is required for the exhaust tip on the driver's side. Install the exhaust tip onto the exhaust port. Adjust it to the correct position, and tighten the screws. Remove the 3 screws at the bottom of the rear exterior trim panel. Install the main body. Fix it using the original vehicle's mounting positions on both sides. Tighten the top screw in the middle. Install the exhaust tip baffle. Tighten the screws at both ends. Fix the relevant part at the bottom of the driver's side with 2 screws. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Tingqian.